Caught in the crossfire.
Hey guys, it's me Jiro and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do the wishful drinking transition. If you guys don't know kung anong wishful drinking or you don't have any idea kung ano siya, ito mga itsura niya.
Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid. Wishful drinking, tell myself that I'm nothing.
So it was a transition made by Tessa Violet. Actually, matagal lang yung transition na to, pero yung trend is made by Tessa Violet and it's her own song. Cool. Anyways, today I'll be teaching you guys kung paano ko nga ba ginawa yun at kung paano ba ginawa ni Tessa Violet yung dan tapos aangat yung damit, parang lilipad siya tapos biglang may babagsak ulit ng damit, and today is your day. Kasi tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko nga ba ginawa yun. So before we start, make sure you guys subscribe and tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial.
Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid.
So first, you need to go to the timer itself and hanapin mo lang yung dang tak. Hanggang dun lang, tapos ipopost mo yung video. Ayan, dito, timer 7 point.
Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like and I'm afraid. Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid.
Yan!
Wishful drinking.
So pag nagawa nyo na yun, click nyo naman yung times 3, tapos timer. So, yung na yun, tatanggalin nyo yung damit nyo. So, ang gagawin natin, pagka-play niya, igagano natin. So, from here, nakikita nyo ba sa screen record? Here, pagka-play, ganun agad. Get. Okay, try natin. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next naman yan, kailangan din natin galawin tong upuan kasi mag-iiba siya ng angle. So, next is timer ulit.
Wishful drinking.
So, ayan, wishful drink. Diba, mula dun, wishful drinking. Ayan, mula ganun lang. Ayan, 9.8. So, hanggang 9.8 wala tayong gagawin. Start countdown. Alis kayo sa frame. Ayan, dito, oh. Doon nyo ba, oh.
Wishful drinking.
So, ayan, once you're done,
Tell myself that I'm not.
so, perfectin nyo lang to hanggang dapat wala siyang makitang kamay, as in walang kamay na makikita. So, ayan, ulit. Try natin times 2. Ma-perfect natin to. So, yeah, after few tries, natapos na rin natin siya, and ngayon, sinuot ko na ulit yung damit kasi ito na yung gagawin natin ngayon. So, usog lang natin to. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, yan, biglang upo. Gets. Pagkabagsak nyo, boom, tas pakiyut, yun. Yun, ganun lang yun kadali. Okay.
Tell myself that I'm not thinking about how. Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like I can pretend that I don't wanna and I'm afraid. Wishful drinking. Tell myself that I'm not thinking about how.
And we're finally done. Sobrang ganun lang siya easy kagawin. So, alam kong excited na rin kayo gawin yan. So, gawin nyo na siya. And don't forget to tag me, Tessa Violet. Or kahit huwag nyo na ako itag kahit si Tessa na. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sana may natutunan ka ngayon. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll be releasing my new collection on 9/9 sale. So, abangan nyo pa yung bagong collection and designs ng JiPop Philippines Popsockets. So, abangan nyo po yan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sana makita ulit kita on my next video. Stay awesome and God bless. Bye!
Caught in the crossfire.